Alright, so it's September 23rd, and here I am. I have this keyboard for 5 months, and now I'm doing a typing test after I finishing editing this file, which you can see right here. And let's go to Chrome, hop on Monkey Type, and I'm literally recording the audio from my iPhone because it's literally like way closer, you can see. So this keyboard is doing well, it's doing okay. I rarely do this test though because I mostly type whatever I want on Discord or whatever. So yeah, let's do a typing test now. Oh no, I messed up. 82 WPM and 97.16% accuracy. I don't know if that's good or not. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I literally recording this thing and it's lossless, so literally all the quality will be perfect.